This online masterclass practical training is for everyone who wants to become a professional on solar energy and inverter installation, also on CCTV camera installation. Hello, do you want to become a professional on solar energy and inverter installation? Do you want to become a professional on CCTV camera installation? Oh yeah, come closer, let me give you the solution. James Okore Technical Institute (JO Technical) is now offering an online masterclass training on solar energy and inverter installation, CCTV camera installation, and this powerful practical training will be done on WhatsApp and on Telegram with well-arranged recorded practical training videos, diagrams, and step-by-step procedures. In this online practical training, you will learn how to practically install solar and inverter. You also learn how to calculate and get the size of inverters. You also learn how to get the number of batteries to be used, the number of panels to be used, the size of charge controller to be used, the size of cables to be used, the size of DC breakers to be used. Also, for the CCTV camera, you will learn how to install CCTV system using IP network cameras and NVR. You also learn how to install CCTV camera system using the DVR and the analog cameras. You also learn how to install solar PTZ standalone cameras. You also learn how to install standalone IP cameras. You learn also how to install the standalone spy cameras. Okay, now in this training, you will learn how to use your mobile phone to view your cameras anywhere you are in the world. Training fee is only 5,000 naira for people in Nigeria and $10 for people outside Nigeria. Certificate and practical PDF book will be sent to you during the training. Training date is 12 January to 19th January 2024. Training time is 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Training duration is 1 week. Click on the link below to register and to join our online training group. Register now and start your training.